doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck.
Welcome, family and friends. We are gathered together in the presence of God to witness and celebrate the marriage of Jesse and Sarah. Marriage is a sacred covenant between one man and one woman, established by God and entered into with love, commitment, and faithfulness. Today, these two come to unite their lives as husband and wife. Who presents this woman to be married to this man?
I do.
To have and to hold,
From this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and cherish,
until we are parted by death.
according to God's holy ordinance, I pledge myself to you. With this ring I thee wed.
With all that I am and all that I have,
I honor you.
in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Authority vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. Jesse, you may kiss your bride.
She did a lot for me growing up. She had a very difficult life. And despite that, she was always there, even when I didn't necessarily want her there. I'm just very happy to see my mom happy. Everybody needs love in their life. Everybody needs somebody that's going to be there for them, support them in the hard times. And so all of you that have somebody, it's the same thing. So just hold that person that's with you tight and protect this marriage the same way that everybody here should be protecting each other's marriage. That's why we're family. That's why we're all here today. So I know that things are hard sometimes, but you know, the more that we can put all of our differences to the side and just love on each other and just be a family, the better that we're all going to be.
I want to wish Sarah and Jesse the best of everything and cherish each other and be kind to each other and just grow together. I know you've been together for a while, but marriage is sacred and it's serious.
Close my eyes and think about us. I can see the person I know I should be. Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now